Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Roblox. This game is called The Button. Okay, we're already in a game and it's loading. Okay guys, let's go. Penguin. Not the hamster, but Penguin! I forgot what his name was, but okay. Let's go guys. Okay. Sorry I haven't been posting, I don't know why, but also about the Stick Wars, if you saw that trailer, it might not come out this week because I haven't made an episode yet. So yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event.
Guys, I don't know why I did that.
Pressing the button terminates someone else at random.
I just punched the janitor.
Decisions have consequences.
Oh no, something's about to happen to this guy. What is he doing? Oh, okay, something's happening.
Participant responsible for their termination. Combat against them has been authorized. This is your opportunity to serve justice.
Wait. When I punch it gives me damage? Wait, what? Okay, how do I heal?
The following participants were terminated.
Okay. Groceries. Who pressed it? Worked. No! It's a minefield. That's what I'm saying!
Behind these doors lies a minefield. One wrong step will trigger an explosion. Reach the other side to survive.
No. I'm gonna... Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I thought I just... set off a bomb, but okay. Okay. Did I just... I'm gonna carry a random person.
That is authorized around the button. I suggest you act.
Okay. Bro! I don't know if that was the right guy or not, but... Outbreak? Okay. What is happening? Okay, guys, what is happening? What the heck? I am staying in here. No, actually, I'm going out there. Because then this video would be boring. Oh, okay. Whee! Run, 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 run. Oh my gosh. I'm sprinting. Oh, right now. Okay, okay, okay. Oh no. I'm jumping on this guy. No! No, I want that thing. What is that? Stop. I want Boo! I want Boo! Get out! Oh, I died. Oh. Wee! I died. Okay, guys, so I died. We're gonna play a different game. Okay, guys, we're gonna be playing balloons and ropes now. Okay, let's go. Okay. Spawn the house. Okay, the point of this game is to just do whatever you want. Which I am going to definitely do. And what I'm gonna do, because I want to do it, is fly. So we're gonna put a bunch of balloons on this house and make it fly. Okay, guys, so we're gonna fly. We hope. I hope. Well, it's supposed to fly, so I'm just adding a lot of balloons. I'll also add thrusters and stuff like that. Okay. Let's add some. No, let's just spam balloons everywhere. Like, we need this house to be moving and get moving. So, yeah. So, house, can you fly, please? Wait. Power? Ooh. Let's just set the power to 10. Move. And this power, let's set it up to 10. Okay, there. Oh, yeah, we're flying. We're floating. Yep, we're definitely floating. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna look down. Okay, there. And then add thrusters. There, the thrusters are on. What? Okay, guys, we're actually floating now. Let's climb the house. This is a bad idea. I'm actually risking everything. Oh, I almost fell. Okay, okay, okay. Oh no. I don't know why I'm doing this. I can't get up. Oh, I got up. Oh no! Well, I fell. Well, now I have this. Oh, yes. First, we're gonna grab thrusters. Turn them off. And I'm gonna put them on here so that when I turn it on, they will fly. It will fly. Well, we're gonna turn the thrusters on. They're on. They're doing nothing. They are really doing nothing right now. But okay, we're gonna just get balloons. But balloons up here. Yeah, they're okay. Let's keep going. Why won't this thing fly? Oh, I am flying, okay. Okay, guys, so we are flying. I did not know that. Wait, can I attach myself? Oh, no, I can't. That's not cool. Okay. Wait. You're gonna fly there forever. Oh, okay. Let's go over here to these ball things. Spawn. Oh, they were already spawned, but okay. Ropes. Oh, okay. Let me put thrusters. Or maybe. Wait, no, delete them all. And then put them right here. Okay. They won't move. But I'm trying to make them move. Yay. Yay, it's working. Let me just delete all the thrusters. Okay. Bye guys, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.